Hi guys, this is Reina with Alt Couch, your source for alternative couches. Today I am here to just show you this pull-up or pull-out couch that converts into a bed. It's type of old school if you want to me, because I've been doing my research and I've been building a lot of alternative couches so far, and they all have been space savers, easy to just tuck away and put away. Even if you're traveling, if you're going somewhere, if you have a cabin, a different house, you can just put them, disassemble them, and put them in a different house. But this one is different. So my mother-in-law bought this one on Amazon. She went online and purchased it. And actually she paid like $700 for it. Again, let's go back to the part where I have been doing this for a while now on alternative couches. So you can probably buy at least two nowadays. Or maybe one that is really reasonably comfortable and better than this one for $600 or $500 even. So let me just show you what it does later. But this is not the couch or the bed that you want your guests to sleep on, especially if they're tall and big or heavy. Two people, no way. You can feel the metal underneath. So it's like this skinny type of mattress that sits on top. I'm whispering because yes, it's like I don't want anyone else to hear me. But it's like something you do not want to purchase nowadays anymore. My son is only 10 and he's not that big or heavy, he's skinny, so he can sleep on it comfortably and, he's a little kid. But other than that, over 16, 17, 18, do not invest in this, I'm just saying. Let me just show you what it does or how it becomes a couch and then into a bed. And then another thing, the alternative couches or the couches that I show you on my website and my channel, they're so easy to turn into a bed, like the Cuddle by Gemini. The back will be like sitting and it's a couch, and then with a click it becomes a bed. It's a couch bed, not really easy. But this one you have to move furniture around and make room for it to turn it into a couch, so or a bed. So it's not like the coolest item ever. But so this is where my son is sleeping now. So look at this, it's really skinny, like, I don't know, I don't even want to know what's inside of it. Yeah, this is like, looking at it alone, it's not comfortable. And it's not even a temporary, I wouldn't even take it as a temporary item. Alright, let me see. Oh. Yes, my son was here. Oh look, there's steps. I think. Oh. And then you put this. Okay. Yeah. There's three of them. But my thought is that it's way easier now to purchase a couch that turns into a bed without doing or going through all of this. Imagine every night you have to vacuum, put that table back, and then when you're done, the day is over, you just turn it into a bed and you have to move things around. You don't want this anymore, okay? There's better deals, better quality out there, and better night sleeps on the alternative couches, such as the Cuddle, such as even the couch bed. I know it's a kid's bed if you want, but it's better than this one as well. and it's easier to carry around. So check out all the items that we have on altcouch.com, and let me know if you have anything in mind or any questions. If you have an apartment, if you have an Airbnb, if you have a rental, anything at all, just tell me if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help and suggest what you guys should get. Thanks for watching.